Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we are going to be making sweet potato smoked sausage hash. So let's get started, but before we start dinner, I want you to see what I did this morning. Alright, well, I'll see you in just a few minutes. So this is my garden harvest. I went ahead and harvested everything except the cherry tomatoes. I have a bunch of green cherry tomatoes, so I left the cherry tomato plants out there. But I got rid of my big tomato plants and my pepper plants. So this is all these peppers and all those green tomatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and start processing these, and I'll bring you guys back. So this is how much I got out of all those peppers. It almost fills this big bowl up. I left 4 peppers out. I didn't chop them, so I can make stuffed bell peppers. But I'll do that. What I'll do is I'll clean the peppers, and then this weekend I'll clean these 4 peppers, and then I'll go ahead and mix up the filling and stuff them. But I won't cook them, and I'll just freeze them that way. So when I'm ready to use them, all I got to do is take them out and cook them like normal. And I put my green tomatoes, on Google, it said that to ripen my green tomatoes, I could put them with some apples, and they'll ripen my green tomatoes. So I did that. So I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. Okay, guys. I have 3 sweet potatoes that I thinly diced. And I added them to my skillet with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to salt and pepper them. And while those are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and dice up my smoked sausage. I ended up with 8 bags with 1.5 cups of peppers in each bag. So I'm set for a while on peppers. still have to water tonight. I gotta water the cherry tomatoes and all my herbs. Now to these, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 diced up onion. And it's in a small dice. And then I'm going to add some peppers and some green and red peppers. I'll tell you what, this smells good already. And it's pretty. All these colors together. And it shouldn't take that long for these potatoes to cook because I diced them small. So I'm going to put the lid on them and let these cook. Oh, I told you all that I might do a live tomorrow. I'm not going to be able to do a live, but I will post another video tomorrow. All right, guys, I'll bring you back when these are almost done and it's time to add the sausage. Okay, guys, it's now time to add the smoked sausage. And I'll bring you back when I get ready to fry my egg. Okay, guys, time to fry the eggs. And I'm just going to fry them right here in this same skillet. I just moved everything over to one side. Salt and pepper my eggs. I'll tell you what, this little chopper, this thing made easy work out of chopping those peppers today. It made it so easy to do. These eggs are slippery, little buggers. Okay, time to plate up. And there you have it, guys. Smoked sausage, sweet potato hash. Now let's give it a try. Oh yeah, the runny egg all over everything. Yep. Now we'll take a bite. Mmm. This is really good. The sweet potato gives it a little bit of sweetness. The fresh peppers from the garden, the onion, and then the sausage and the egg. This is really good. Y'all, I got to give this one a try. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. As always, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. Or if you want to help support the channel, there is a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below. If you like this channel, you can give it a hype. As always, this recipe will be in the description box below. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day. Bye, guys.